Hi friends, I'm Sai Jitne. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the dark mode in the Mi10i device. As you can see, friends, so this is a Mi10i device, and recently I did receive the software update in this smartphone. And after the software update, there are few changes to the UI of the dark mode in this Mi10i device. So I thought of doing a video as well. And meanwhile, I'll try to compare the dark mode after the update and before update, which is present in the Poco X3 device. In the Poco X3, still I did not receive that kind of dark mode updated UI, so I can compare both phones side by side. And in case if you want to download this kind of good looking live wallpapers in all the 4 smartphones, as you can see, friends, so make sure to check the links in description. So there is always a playlist available in the links in the description below for the wallpapers, and not only that, you can find the Mi10i playlist for more details as well. So let's get started, friends. First thing is that you need to go to the settings here, and even there is a inbuilt FPS meter available. So right now I'm using the inbuilt FPS meter, so make sure to check that video if you don't know how to enable that option. So now you need to go to the display and another display. So let me try to disable this first. And as you can see, friends, so this is a new type of interface is going on right now. So with the before update, it used to be pretty normal, so there is not such a huge improvement. So as you can see, friends, so let me need to go to the display, and you can find the dark mode in separate column, but in the new update you will be getting this kind of special category as well, as you can see here. So where you will be having the light mode and the dark mode. So in the before update, you need to go to the dark mode and then you need to enable that, but right now you can directly select the options as well. So which theme you want, light or dark. So once you select the light dark theme, as you can see right now I selected the dark mode. So once you select that, you do get option for the more dark mode options. As you can see that you do get adjust the wallpaper to the dark mode or adjust the text and the background automatically. Even you can enable the individual applications whether to give the dark mode permission or not. That's a really good thing, friends. So some of the people, they don't like dark mode in every application, so you should have this kind of control over which apps you can use the dark mode. So right now let me try to enable the Google Play Store. So Google Play Store has been added to the dark mode theme. As you can see, this is how it looks. And if you if you disable this option, definitely the Play Store will also get a change, but it should get changed, but it did not get changed. So maybe if you open second time or third time, I did try multiple times opening and closing, but still it's the same result. So let me try to clear the Play Store application from the multitasking, and let me try again. So let's see whether the Play Store will be opening white. I'm not sure. As you can see, friends, this is still going on with the black theme only right now. So this bit weird. So let me try with the other application without having any kind of dark mode. So maybe I'll try to use the Google Chrome without dark mode. As you can see, I disable the Google Chrome. Let me try to open the Google Chrome, and Google Chrome I'm seeing in the black again dark mode. So I'm not sure why there's an option to enable and disable if this is not at all working. So this quite a maybe this will be able to fix in the new update, I think so. But right now this is a kind of one bug which I did find while making this video, friends. I did not even notice before. So next in the mode dark mode options, you do have the adjust wallpaper to the dark mode and adjust the text to the background. I do think this kind of 2 options are already present in the previous dark mode theme. So let me to enable and let me try to show you. As you can see, there is the option for this option that adjusts the contrast automatically. So there is a contrast and adjust the wallpaper to the dark mode as well. So individual application, as you can see, individual applications you can enable and disable. So let me try to do testing in that other phone, in the Poco X3 device, whether it's possible or not. As you can see in the Poco X3 as well, it's the same thing. If you even if you disable, still it's showing the dark mode. So maybe it might be able to fix in the future. But this is a quick review on the dark mode in the new MIUI update and in the Mi10i device as well with the 5G smartphone. And thank you, friends, for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.